Welcome to the Daily Tech Reader for Tuesday, July 21st, 2026. This is our national edition. In our nation and world coverage, mediators have introduced a 10-day ceasefire proposal. Meanwhile, tensions rise as Iran targets Greek tankers in the Strait of Hormuz, and President Trump meets with Lebanon's President Aoun. On the markets, the S&P is up 0.9%, with positive earnings reports from GM and 3M. National headlines include the new 10-day ceasefire proposal in the Middle East and a high-profile meeting between President Trump and Lebanon's President Joseph Aoun. Additionally, reports indicate that the Pentagon did not initially disclose U.S. casualties and damaged helicopters from Iranian strikes in Jordan. In global updates, both General Motors and 3M have exceeded their second quarter estimates. Energy markets remain volatile, with Brent crude reaching over $90 a barrel and national gas prices climbing above $4 a gallon. Looking at tech and business, IBM is set to report earnings tomorrow, followed by Alphabet and Tesla on Wednesday. Meanwhile, chip stocks are seeing a surge, and current S&P earnings growth is tracking at 24.7%. Earnings season is off to a historic start. With 66 companies reporting so far, 88% have beaten EPS estimates, driving earnings growth to nearly 25% year over year. Our tech briefing highlights that IBM will report tomorrow while Alphabet and Tesla follow on Wednesday. Semiconductor stocks are showing strength with NVIDIA gaining 2%, and a new legal battle has emerged between Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly regarding GLP-1 drug patents. In business and markets, indices have rebounded with the S&P up 0.89%, NASDAQ up 1.29%, and the Dow up 385 points. Investors are now watching for upcoming Treasury auctions. Oil prices have breached the $90 mark following the escalation of tanker attacks by Iran. Despite these geopolitical pressures, U.S. stock indices saw a solid rebound during Tuesday's session. In sports and entertainment, FIFA has scheduled a hearing for Paredes following recent disciplinary issues. Fox reports 60.3 million viewers for the World Cup, and Lionel Messi has hinted at his potential retirement from international play. Sports updates continue with Fox confirming the massive reach of the World Cup. Elsewhere, legal hurdles remain for the Paramount and Warner Bros. Discovery merger, and Netflix shares are trading near 52-week lows. That concludes our Daily Tech Reader briefing for today. Thank you for joining us.